burned, torn in soldiers' clothing and covered in blood. The white man's tall height towering over them both. He pulled the trigger. 12 years later, that same nation where that man came from came up with a plan to gain back its independence. This nation is the Democratic Republic of Congo. This man who died, one of the greatest heroes in Africa, is Didan Kimasi. You see, most look down on Africa, but don't you realize how much of a flex it is to live in Africa? South Africa, look at it, it gained its independence in 1994, yet it is one of the most powerful nations in Africa. Zimbabwe, Great Zimbabwe was built in the 1500s with no concrete, yet it is still standing. Mozambique, Madagascar, Mauritius, Zanzibar have pristine beaches, clear waters, and white sand. Why go to the Bahamas or the Maldives when you've got it right here in Africa? Mauritius has one of the greatest education systems in the world. You should be willing to pay $12,000 a term to go to Australia. Why? Look at your neighbor right now and say, being African is the biggest flex ever. Being African is the biggest flex ever! Don't let anyone change that, because most likely their culture is, and we are full of culture.